Hey yo, what's up? Hope you're having a shit one. uh, Today I will take you to my new unit. I'm getting a new unit where we're gonna be working. We'll do a POV drive, but before that, let's do a cold start. Oh, don't forget, I want to show you. Yesterday we did the soft closed doors on my Panamera. Love it. Okay, let's go to drive. We go to pick up my colleague now. And now I want to show you the shitty roads of Burton-on-Trent. Besides these speed bumps, you have lots of manholes, not level, craters, meteorites, everything you want. Arrive now to my favorite junction. This one don't know who have priority when it's green, but now it starts the potholes. So here in these junctions, look, you don't know how to watch them all. A bit like that, a bit like that. One, oh, oh. Okay. Oh, we have some more here. Oh, look, I love these speed bumps. Full of holes. Another junction. Hello guys, I'm back. Unfortunately, with some bad news. As you can see, my suspension gone up, front down. Uh, Funny was talking about the potholes. Unfortunately, no POV today because even when you start it, I get a bunch of errors. As you can see, PSM failure, chassis system fault, many. I track it down, and it's the link from the leveling module. So if you want to see me changing that, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will make a video how to change them. Yeah, we make a POV driving after we fix it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.